Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. A double primed 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I'm not entirely sure exactly how this is going to go, but I'm going to put down some lines with my medium black paint, just randomly. I hope it winds up looking somewhat interesting. I'm thinking about using cell activator, and I'm also thinking about using one of my playing cards. Actually, this might be even better than that. I've got a little one too. This is Pink Diamond. And I better be fairly quick because it's a hot day and the air conditioning's running thoroughly. This is Orange Crush. I've got some golden iridescent gold. Although I did just make up some decor at 24 karat gold, so I might want to use that. I was waiting for that. I wanted to hear the call to a color. And I've got Snapdragon, which is pretty cool. But what I think I want to use is the Modern Masters Venetian Blue. What now? It's either purple or green. That's very similar to the... Yeah, that's very similar to the Pink Diamond. That's Water Lily. That's surprising. This is Deco Art Iridescent Pearl. And I did that. I don't think it matters, but I did it. I didn't want to. So I said I was going to go for red violet, and so I shall. I still want some... What was I going to say? I have no idea. It'll come back to me. I think it's going to be saffron. Oh, yeah. Snapdragon. Now if I use these the day before, I don't usually have to worry too much about them being separated, but I haven't been painting every day for a while now, so I try and remember to shake them all the time. Alright, hopefully this will do it. But it might not. I know what I want. I want yellow-orange. Desperately. After that, we'll swipe some things and hope that they look good. Sometimes I think I should save the painting I did to set up the swipe. That's a fairly even dispersal. I want something else there. Not sure what. I keep meaning to put green in and then I don't. Sometimes I just can't bring myself to do it. I think some turquoise would be in order. Or maybe frozen. Yeah, I love frozen and everything. We'll take what we can get. Alright, that's it for now. I have no dancing fuchsia in there at all. Maybe just a little wouldn't hurt me. That's my Amsterdam white. And since I'm not going to take the time to clear that, I'm going to pour it. And try not to spill it. I'm even going to knock some of that right off. And then I'm going to use my scrape dish. I'm going to use some Atelier Cobalt Turquoise too. I might wind up using everything, you can never tell. I want to wipe this off completely before I do that. I haven't done this method for a while and I really like it. It's sort of a geometric. I want to use some Dancing Fuchsia next. Where do I want to go with this? I thought I wanted to go there, but I don't. I might want to do it again, but I'm a little nervous. Alright, it's almost time. No, it is time. I'm going to grab the Dancing Fuchsia. I have some gold that I thought didn't work for a while, and it worked the last time I used it. So it's very tempting to want to do that again. Okay, I can't use it here because that's already that color combination, so. That was basically no cell activator. That was probably unwise on my part, but I decided it was worth the risk at the time. I like my swipe card, it's pretty. Alright, I'm going to go for some black. Maybe I should use the gold. I should definitely use the gold, but I'm going to do this first. I can use that again. I'm going to have to wipe that off. Maybe I'll scrape off some of the pretty colors right onto the painting. That'll work. And it's time to wipe my card off. I was going to say, I wish I had some orange cell activator, but I do, but it goes to liquid so fast, I just don't wind up getting used to using it. So let's give the gold a try. Get in position first. No matter what I get with the gold, I'll still be okay with it. It's not selling. Again, it's so weird. Small batches. Ah, I see some. Some's coming up. I'm going to go for the Dancing Fuchsia again. I really like how the cobalt turquoise looked. I'm going to take some more white. Throw caution to the winds. Now I'm just filling in, and I wanted to leave some negative space and I did not do that, but that's still okay. I do have some negative space, I guess. Ooh, the orange looks great with the turquoise. Let's do that. got gorgeous paint in my scrape dish, so I might wind up using some of that. I don't know yet. I'm gonna wipe my card off again. I think the white. I'll just be safe. I'm liking this. Our little color. I want some more orange. A little of the yellow orange too. And maybe while I'm at it, pink diamond won't hurt anything. Now, what did I like the best? I like the turquoise. I always like my cell activator colors. I don't think I have a favorite. Temptation is to just double that up, but I'm going to use a cleanish card. And that'll be that. Yeah, I like it. I'm going to torch it, hoping some of those cells will actually come up. I bet they will. I have a nail art tool that I want to use. I haven't figured out which side is up yet, but I like them all so far. Pretty. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire an artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.